Go, animals, go! Written by Brian Roberts. Illustrated by Nora Vutis. The cow is in a car. The pig is on a bike. The goat is in a boat. The dog is on a train. The bird is on skates. The duck is in a plane. The cat is on a horse. Go, animals, go!